guys, welcome back to our new video. Hope you're all doing well. So Mohit, what we're gonna react on today?
So today we're gonna see Prime Minister PM Modi when he came back from Saudi and he gave a speech in Bihar after that attack. So if we can see that speech, I have seen little bit, but I thought we can see together.
That's good. That's good.
So we can start.
Yes, of course. Let's go.
22 अप्रैल को जम्मू कश्मीर के पहलगाम में आतंकियों ने मासूम देशवासियों को जिस बेरहमी से मारा है, उससे पूरा देश व्यथित है।
He looks very angry.
कोटि देशवासी दुखी
Yeah, he
हैं।
looks very upset. But no,
सभी
it's not.
पीड़ित परिवारों के इस दुख में पूरा देश
He gave this speech in Bihar.
उनके साथ खड़ा है। जिन परिवारजनों का अभी इलाज चल रहा है, वे जल्द स्वस्थ हो, इसके लिए भी सरकार हर प्रयास कर रही है। साथियों, इस आतंकी हमले में किसी ने अपना बेटा खोया, किसी ने अपना भाई खोया, किसी ने अपना जीवन साथी खोया है। उनमें से कोई बांग्ला बोलता था, कोई कन्नड़ा बोलता था, कोई मराठी था, कोई ओडिया था, कोई गुजराती था, कोई यहां बिहार का लाल था। आज
All of
उन
them are
सभी
from
की
India.
मृत्यु पर
Yeah, there were two
करगिल से
foreigners also.
कन्याकुमारी तक हमारा दुख एक जैसा है, हमारा आक्रोश एक जैसा है। ये हमला सिर्फ निहत्थे पर्यटकों पर नहीं हुआ है, देश के दुश्मनों ने भारत की आत्मा पर हमला करने का दुस्साहस किया है। मैं बहुत स्पष्ट शब्दों में कहना चाहता हूं, जिन्होंने ये हमला किया है, उन आतंकियों को और इस हमले की साजिश रचने वालों को उनकी कल्पना से भी बड़ी सजा मिलेगी।
That's good.
सजा मिलकर के रहेगी। अब आतंकियों की बची खुची जमीन को भी मिट्टी में मिलाने का समय आ गया है। एक सौ चालीस करोड़ भारतीयों की इच्छा शक्ति अब आतंकी आकाओं की कमर तोड़ कर रहेगी। फ्रेंड्स, टुडे from the soil of Bihar, I say to the whole world, India will identify, track and punish every terrorist and their backers.
That's
We
good.
will pursue them to the ends of the earth. India's spirit will never be broken by terrorism. terrorism will not go unpunished. Every effort will be made to ensure that justice is done. The entire nation is firm in this resolve. Everyone who believes in humanity is with us. I thank the people of various countries and their leaders who have stood with us in these times.
So now you saw the video how much angry PM Modi was looking. And also he was like very clear in his words, and he was telling all over the world that what he gonna do.
He looked very serious. He
Yeah.
looked directly that he was upset about
Yeah.
this.
And also that's why he came straight back when he heard this news from the Saudi that he took the country first. So, and also now we saw that a lot of countries leaders, they come to Delhi to meet our minister so that our country can tell them that what we gonna do. And there was a lot of meetings and everything. So yeah.
So now we will see what happened in the future.
Yeah, because now India has stopped it in this valley river. The water has stopped, and also India have taken all the Pakistani cricket matches. Also, you will not see in India. All the people who are working in Pakistan, India have called them that come back to India, and also no visa service and nothing, because before the people from Pakistan who were sick, they came to India for like operation and treatment, because
okay.
in India it's cheaper than other foreign countries. So I think now everything is closed.
Yeah, the 29 of April, I saw every
they
Pakistani had
got-
to go out.
Yeah,
from
they got
India.
one week. So yeah, so this was the video, and we end this video here. So we see you guys in next video. Till then,
Bye bye.
Our hearts beat to the city.